What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just updating you all on this rental property investment that I'm looking to get into and just close on this property. So last time we spoke about this property, I offered them $280. They said they're convenient, talk to each other. I tried to call them, they didn't answer, so I sent a text and she sent me this long text. And basically their counter offer is $287. They add that extra $7,000 because the properties are furnished. But you know, I want to stick at $280. That's my thing. And then she came back with a whole bunch of other questions. I'm about to actually call my investor to see if he's still open to lending, because this is very important, because right now I'm not getting a loan through a bank. I will be getting a private loan. So you all are going to hear that call right now. So if you all don't mind, like, subscribe, comment down below, and let's head right into this call. Going.
Oh, pretty good. How about you?
Doing well. Did I catch you at a good time?
Yeah, I can talk.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just calling because I know we spoke a few weeks ago or months ago about, you know, private lending, and I recently came across a property. And I was just wondering, what's the process of, you know, applying with you with that private money program?
You just, you can text me how much the property's going to cost, how much you think you're going to get it sold for, and how much, you need to borrow to be able to buy it. And let me, I would just, drive by, check it out, and if it's something, every property's different,
Okay.
If I feel like that you got plenty of collateral in it, you may not have, might not have to put as much money down.
Right.
Just different ways.
Right. Okay. Yeah. And this would be for a turnkey, operation property. So it would be more of the, splitting it like 30-year loan type of thing, where we can have a balloon in like 5 years or something like that. And so yeah, I already viewed the property and everything. Right now, my offer was at $280. They just countered back at $287. So this area is really hot near the university, and they're getting $2,800 a month. So it hits right at that 1% rule.
Yeah.
And so there's no repairs or updates needed on the property. They're just looking to move. And so this would be like my first rental investment. And I know this area, I live literally like 7 minutes away. So I'm near the property. So just saying those numbers, let's say I'm able to put like $15,000 down at $280 or $285. Would you be able to loan out $260, or those numbers sound right?
It'd be tight, but it's a good possibility that I could.
Okay.
There again, I just need to drive by and sort of do a little bit of evaluation of my own.
Okay.
Is what I think.
Okay, for sure. And so to set that up, let's say sometime next week, Monday, I can get with the seller and schedule a viewing time for you to drive by and view the property.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. And so I'll do that. And so you loan like full value, right?
Yeah, well, so if you're buying it for $280, somewhere around the $280.
Right.
And you've got $15 to pay down.
Right.
I've got that 3% loan fee up front, and that's gotta be paid. So we could take the 3% loan fee out of your whatever money you've got. But like I said, if I see there's enough collateral and stuff there, it's a good possibility then that I can make the rest of the loan.
Okay. And so when you say the 3% fee, is that the, because I know last time you talked about just a $3,000 non-refundable fee.
Yeah, this is a 3% loan fee. Whatever the loan is, it's 3% loan fee and then 6% interest.
Okay. So the 3% loan fee is just the upfront fee.
Upfront. So that way, I know the first year I'm actually, I'm going to get. I do the 3% loan fee because I don't, there's no appraisals, no nothing, need to be done. And then that gets me my 3% up front, that if somebody just has a loan with me for 10 months or, just the first year, that it justified me, making, above 6%.
Okay. So is this kind of recent? Because I think last time we spoke, you said that you just charged like this 3,000 flat fee, and you didn't mention last time the 3% fee.
Yeah. Well, I may have been saying say like 3,000 on 100,000.
Okay.
But
okay.
We'll look at the property and we'll see if we can't negotiate work something out.
Okay, for sure. And also, is that 6% fee? Is there some wiggle room with that for the interest?
There's probably not, even though you can get. I know rates are lower and everything.
Right.
It's just that if
I understand. Yeah, I mean, it's your money, right?
Right now, I've not lowered it. 6% has been the lowest. Actually,
okay.
Some of them I just did for some Latino people that bought a house, and I got 8% from them.
Okay. Okay.
So 6 is sort of in my lowest,
Okay. Yeah, for sure. And so, is there a time Monday that works well with you?
And it's here. You just check with them and see what works for them, and then, as far as us just driving by and checking out, earlier the better, we could do it.
Okay.
11 o'clock or something like that probably would be ideal.
Okay. And another thing, the property is in a flood zone, though. Would that be an issue?
That could be a problem. We'd want to know, had there ever been any...
There hasn't been any flooding for the past 20 years. In the property. Okay. Yeah, I'll contact the seller, let them know around 11 o'clock, 12, if, my lender can come over, investor, and take a look at the property.
Okay.
All right.
You just call me on Monday, remind me, okay?
Okay, for sure. And then, like, the paperwork and everything, do you have paperwork for that already? Or would I have to provide that?
I usually just say like professional title. We just do the closing. They take care of all my documents.
Okay, so they usually provide some documents.
Yeah, they do all the documents. You just do the sales contract based on that it was just a private lender, and, the buyer the seller should about look at that as a cash offer, because it's not something that you got to get.
Okay.
An appraisal and get, a bunch of people, underwriters to approve and stuff like that. Once I looked at it, I'd tell you yes or no.
Okay. Gotcha. So I'll just use a standard, like cash purchase agreement.
Yeah.
So wouldn't it be like a standard Tennessee form, that realtors usually use?
Yeah. I would just use it, once, as long as you've got your down payment and everything, and once, and I tell you that I've looked at it and there's enough collateral and everything,
okay,
good to go. We could close in, a couple of weeks or so, I guess, and they would get everything, like in that.
Okay.
It's sort of like a cash closing.
Okay.
To the seller, because they're not paying, any fees or anything out of it.
Okay. Makes sense. All right. Well, sounds good. Well, yeah, once again, I'll contact them. And, of course, this would be all contingent on inspection. And, I'll be taking on their year leases because they're about to have new tenants for a year. And so I guess that would be something I have to put in the agreement.
How many units is in the building?
No, it's just a duplex, but they're getting...
it's just a duplex.
They're getting $2,800.
Must be pretty nice if they're getting $1,400 a side.
Yeah, it's just this area is just super hot, honestly, and prices are expensive here in Newport. Yeah, sounds good. I'll contact the seller and I'll let you know the time on Monday.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, sounds good.
See ya.
All right, bye-bye. All right, you all. There's that information. I talked with my investor, my private lender. So I'm still contingent on him too at the same time. And so just have to bring that up to the seller, say, hey, my lender, my investor, private investor needs to view this property. is there a good time, 11 or 12 o'clock on a Monday, because today's Friday, that we can view the property, make sure everything is good on his end. This would be pretty cool, and this would be my first investment property. Of course, there's some nerves because it's like it's a responsibility, even though it seems like it cash flows. This property is literally 5 minutes away. I can hop there anytime, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to, from the beginning, I'm going to have people in place. And they already have contacts that I'm just going to absorb those contacts for this property. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace.